Out here, we got the shit box back at PF, man. Fucking. Alright, y'all, we out here in the Camaro V6. Got ski out here, bye. Yeah. Just got back from H2O though, y'all. We out here taking a little L ride. We'll show you the Camaro when we hop out. Gotta get some air, some shit like that. Alright, Ski, give him the rundown, bro. What you got in this thing, man? Come around the front, boy. Yeah. We got Wild though. Alright. Little can and intake action.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for.
Pretty much it for the edge of bay, y'all. He was saying that they don't make headers for this thing, for this year. But yeah,
See where they would really fit.
Definitely a big cat right there that needs to go on both sides. I haven't gotten this thing, so I don't know if it has like secondary cats or whatever, but yeah, got a V6 in here. Let's see what the exhaust setup is though.
Yeah,
Muffler delete, y'all can see it's actually done pretty clean. Some of them are shitty, but that's not bad. Who did that shit?
What?
The muffler delete.
Mighty Muffler.
Oh yeah, Mighty Muffler. I went to them for some work before. Okay. Yeah, make it turk, man. Y'all see that acceleration, though? That's how you get it up there. Y'all know with that little trick. Got some valley action. Back here, y'all gotta know. Y'all gotta get out here. Good old Steve got the truck. What is up, y'all? Matt back here. Some unfortunate things just happened. I got a bunch of tickets this morning on my way to work. I wasn't wrong. I will do some explaining later. It sucks because I literally just got one down in H2O for careless driving when I didn't even do anything. Just went a little bit past the stop sign. But look, guys, we're gonna get this H2O vlog up for you guys soon. I'm dropping the vlog and Chaps in the works of editing the after movie, so we're gonna get that up for you guys soon. Hopefully, like, I have a court date next year in April, but hopefully they don't put me on like driving probation and stuff like that. Guys, this sucks, but I gotta handle my business, right? Clean ass G sedan right next to the baby. We gotta head in the gym. Let's get a little front view for you guys of the headlights and shit like that. Should look clean as fuck. Man, we out here supposed to be smoking big ass. Y'all see where we at? You see the roof? I can't show too much. You know where we at. We've been here all winter and shit. We got what we doing, man? What we doing?
Big gas.
Big gas. Tell him, man.
Flavors.
Boom. Look at my C right here. You my son, bro. He trying to say. Good morning, you guys. We got the G starting up right now, y'all. Little morning cold start. I hope you guys enjoyed the H2O videos. Definitely more coming soon for you guys here. We got a bunch of stuff coming. My boy Ski, who I was telling you guys about, he actually just blew the motor in his Camaro. So he was thinking about doing a motor swap and a tranny swap possibly. So we'll have some videos coming up for you soon, guys. Really worked hard on those H2O videos. We're gonna get the G tuned soon, stuff like that, and get her drifting. All right, you guys, we are on our way to go pick up Drewski right now. About to go hit another car meet for you guys. It's that season, baby. It's that fall season. So we in the G right now. About to pull up to the meet. But I'm not bringing my car because I'm not really doing anything at meets or bringing my car to meets until I get this shit tuned, guys. I know it sounds like it sucks, but, you know, running this thing, like, I do run it pretty hard on the streets, but, like, at meets, I just don't want to get this thing, like, either hit, I just don't really want to bring it out right now until I like can turn the meats up with the flame mats and stuff. And, you know, not only just that, just like I want to swing it at meats and stuff, and I can't really swing it right now with this stock tune for some reason. If you guys can drop in the comments below why that is. I always have VDC off when I try to swing. It just doesn't want to go even in the rain. But yeah, we're gonna get it tuned soon. That mint takes in there. We already got the headers in. But yeah, let's go see what's up with Drew, and let's go see what's up with this meat tonight. Bros is mobbing. Never seen some shit like that.
Alright, y'all, we got a seat in the cut. Let them know what's good with it, man.
We out here at fucking corn meat.
Man, we're out here, guys. There ain't shit going on out here. This like the third spot or some shit. All the other ones are shit's deep. Let's see what's up.
Big woods, nigga.
Ain't even a wood though. It's a Bluntville. No. The meat was dead, so what we doing now? We blowing a quick L before we go to sleep and shit.
Word, bro.
Fucking, I got work tomorrow. Seeds off.
Word. I'm probably working up and I'm not sure yet. I still haven't like chose.
They get that bread every day, son.
Word. They got that shit for like $5 more tomorrow.
This dude's not looking.
We got the motherfucking shred pipe.
What's up, you guys? We're out here at the shooting range now. We're shooting a bunch of little guns, having some fun out here in the neck of the woods in New Jersey. We're out here, man. Got the shooting range. I'll show you guys when we go over there, but there's like 600 and like 500 yard ranges out there. Crazy long. Here in traffic, got a little 370 behind us. A little girl in that John. Girl power. All right, y'all, we are on our way to.
Yo,
we're on our way. Yo, DJ. Yo, who's that? DJ. That's my baby, man. You know what I'm saying? As brothers, man, we good for shit, man. We back in effect, you know what I'm saying?
back in the flesh, nigga. You know
Beat up.
Shit going up. We're gonna lovers. I'm gonna give him a cheese girl.
DJ banging, man. We back out here, y'all.
That's real good, or that's real good right now. You know, that's real good. So we're trying to real stuff. But like, you know, it's not on hoodie. You know. Come on, lock the door.
Hey, let me throw unlock. So I just popped the hood on this Z28, y'all. I'm thinking about getting something like this for the channel for like a bucket. Honestly, I would really fuck with one of these. It's a drop top. I would straight pipe it with headers. Y'all, you know this bitch would eat. With a tune. Come on, man. I got this shit like on the road, bro. Like, what's his name? Slow 5-0, bro.
Yeah, we gotta get a power steering like that.
Where? Oh, his truck. Yeah.
I can't just be like, what? Get your man, bro. Oh, yeah. Invented for? Like, what's the whole concept behind it? And then come out with me. You know or not?
I would say it has something to do with being able to weld, like,
Fast.
water.
Fast. So I'll do it fast. The government was trying to get something together fast.
I just want to say thank you guys for watching another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. In that last clip, it was me getting my muffler reinstalled on my car. If you guys are wondering why I did that, is because I've been getting a lot of tickets and I need to get my car re-inspected. So there's some things I just have to handle and need to stay quiet and low-key for some time. So I hope you understand. Still have the long tube headers in place. Still have the resonator delete. Just have the muffler on, stock muffler. So sounds good. In the videos to come, we'll definitely be getting some clips of that for you guys. So enjoy and stay tuned for the next video, guys.